Hey everybody, welcome back to Do Me a Solid. In today's video, we're going to be going over linking custom properties. Okay, let's dive right into this. So, first things first, what is a custom property? Well, a custom property is found under File, Properties, and then the Custom tab. Now, there is a Summary tab and also a Configuration Specific tab. We can get into those in other videos. I want to focus on the Custom tab because I will be linking it to parts of a drawing, and I think that ultimately, once people learn how to do this, they can automate their assemblies, parts, and drawings a lot more efficiently. So let's focus on that for this video. Now, that having been said, there's some information that you can enter in the summary information that I include in my drawings. The idea is going to be to get whatever we enter here to show up right here, either over here or in the bill of materials that we're going to present, and I'll show you how to do the bill of materials first. So we'll call this part 1. Okay, so first things first, if we have a bill of materials, obviously that consists of different parts. So let's open up the plastic lid here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Properties, and then Custom. Now what we're going to include here is whatever custom properties we want to show up on the bill of materials that I have in that drawing. So for example, here I can write description, and then I will enter bottle cap. Then I'll type in a second property, I'll put material, and I'll do HDPE. I'll type in rev, and I'll say A because it's a part. And then I'll put release, and then we'll have 000. Actually, I'll make this an acronym as well just for ease. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go back into that drawing and take those custom properties and apply them. So first things first, we want to go into the assembly because the assembly is where that part is. So that means that the drawing will have to be populated from the assembly. That's very important to remember, is that it's going to take the information from the part and apply it to whatever we put into the assembly bill of materials. So let me show you how to do that. So we go into a drawing, we go ahead and pull up the view of the isometric view of this mold, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Insert, Tables, Bill of Materials. And we're going to click on the picture. We're going to click check mark for the standard for now so I can show you how to add those tables later, and then we'll add it in here. Now, as you can see, there is a standard bill of materials table from SolidWorks, and it's got the item number, part number, but it throws in one of my custom properties here by default. Now, if you recall, in the bottle cap, we also had rev, release, and material. So we insert column to the right. It'll automatically populate custom property, but there's other things that you can pick here as well. We're going to focus on custom properties. And then here we go. You have material. Then we can add another column, insert, column right, rev for revision. And we can also resize these just like you would in Excel. And then we'll do another one to the right, which will be release. Insert, column right. That'll be release. Now remember, the only reason that this populates into this bill of materials is because of the fact that we inserted it into the part. So when you are creating a bill of materials that you want to auto-populate, remember that you have to make those custom properties in the part. That's what's going to populate in your bill of materials. Okay, as usual, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please go ahead and leave those in the comments. Cheers!